Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, and supporters. In this episode, I'll talk about the Dsg-6 Dq250 automatic transmission. So to the point. The Dq250 transmission, also known as 02E0D9, is a 6-speed, dual-clutch, wet automatic transmission. Historically, it is the first DSG transmission, which debuted in 2003 in the Volkswagen Golf R32. It was designed to transfer moderate and high torque. General characteristics of the Dq250. Type: 6-speed, dual-clutch, wet. Clutches operate in an oil bath. Maximum torque, originally up to about 350 Nm, although some sources say that in later versions it could handle up to 400 Nm or even 420 Nm. However, it should not be confused with the DQ381, which is a newer design. Application: in cars with transversely mounted engines, both with front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive for motion/quattro. In which cars is the Dq250 installed? The Dq250 was, and still is in some older models, widely used in many popular cars of the Volkswagen AG group, especially in more powerful, but not top-of-the-range versions. Volkswagen, Golf, MK5, MK6, some MK7, in GDI, GDR32, 2.0 TDI, 2.0 TSI versions. Passat B6, B7, in more powerful engines 2.0 TDI, 2.0 TSI, and also 3.6 FSI. Scirocco, in more powerful versions. EOS, Jetta, Touran, Caddy, Tiguan I. Audi, as S-Tronic, A3, 8P, 8V, in more powerful versions 2.0 TFSI, 2.0 TDI, and also S3. TT, 8J, 2.0 TFSI, 3.2 VR6. Q3, first generation. SKODA, Octavia, 2, some 3, versions RS, 2.0 TDI. Superb, 2, more powerful engines. Yeti, Seat, Leon 2, some 3, in versions Cupra, FR, 2.0 TDI. Altia, Toledo. Advantages of the Dq250. Speed and smoothness of gear changes. As for a DSG gearbox, it offers very fast and almost imperceptible gear changes, which improves driving dynamics and comfort. Fuel efficiency. Thanks to its double-clutch design and fast operation, it is usually more fuel efficient than classic hydrokinetic automatics. Clutch cooling. Wet clutches, operating in oil, are much better cooled than dry ones, e.g. in the DQ200. This increases their durability and resistance to overheating, which is crucial in city traffic, dynamic driving, or when towing. Durability. It is considered one of the more durable DSG gearboxes, especially compared to the DQ200. It can withstand considerable loads and chip tuning, although this shortens the service life. Availability of parts and knowledge. Due to its popularity and long presence on the market, there are many specialists and easy access to spare parts. Disadvantages of the Dq250. Service and repair costs. As a complex transmission, it requires regular service, oil changes, and in the event of a failure, repair costs can be high. Potential jerking/shaking, especially when starting in traffic jams or at low speeds. There may be slight jerking or shaking. These are usually symptoms of initial clutch wear, problems with the mechatronics, or the dual-mass flywheel. Dual-mass flywheel, DSG-specific, a consumable element that wears out and can generate knocking or vibrations, especially when starting/stopping the engine. Replacement is expensive. Faults and failures. Despite its robustness, the Dq250, like any complex design, can fail. Mechatronics failure. This is the most common and expensive problem. The mechatronics is the brain of the gearbox, responsible for controlling the clutches and gear changes. Faults may result from electrical faults, cold solder joints, damaged sensors, solenoid valves, or hydraulic faults, oil pressure problems. Symptoms include jerking, especially when starting or changing gears. inability to engage any gear or the entire set, e.g. only even or odd gears. The gearbox goes into emergency mode, limp mode, displaying errors on the dashboard, e.g. flashing PRNDS, check engine light. Problems with reverse gear or its complete absence. Error codes, e.g. P1735, P1736, clutch position sensors, P17BF, hydraulic pump overload protection, solenoid valve errors, P0756, P0761, etc. Clutch wear. Clutches, although wet, wear out over time. Symptoms include clutch slippage. The engine revs up, and the car does not accelerate proportionally, jerking, vibration. The life of clutches depends on the driving style, but they usually last 150,000 to 250,000 kilometers. Dual mass flywheel, DMF, where this is the element that compensates for engine vibrations. Its wear is manifested by knocking when starting/stopping the engine, vibrations at idle or at low revs. Bearing problems. At very high mileage, play in the shaft bearings may appear, which is manifested by metallic noises. Oil leaks, from the seals and sometimes from the mechatronics housing, especially in older models. Service and oil change. Regular oil changes in the Dq250 are crucial for its durability and trouble-free operation. Oil change interval. The manufacturer recommends changing the oil and filter every 60,000 kilometers. This must be strictly adhered to. It is worth considering shortening this interval to 40 to 50,000 kilometers if the car is used intensively, city driving, sports driving, towing. What oil? Only use oil that meets the Volkswagen specification for Dq250, usually VWG050 2182A2, or its manufacturer-approved substitutes, e.g. Fuchs Pinnason FFL. 2. Castrol Transmax Dual. This is a special oil for wet double-clutch gearboxes. Do not use oils for classic automatic or manual gearboxes. Oil quantity. A full change usually requires about 5.2 to 5.5 liters of oil. Oil change procedure. Warming up the gearbox. The gearbox should be warmed up to operating temperature by driving. Draining the old oil. The car on a lift, gearbox in the P position. The drain plug should be removed. On the Dq250, there is often an internal overflow tube in the drain plug, which also needs to be removed to drain all the oil. Filter change. Replace the external oil filter. It is usually easily accessible. The filter seals should also be replaced. Filling with new oil. Pour in new oil through the filter hole or a special filler hole, often using a special pump. Level check. This is a crucial step. The oil level is checked with the engine running at a specific gearbox temperature, usually between 35 and 45 degrees Celsius, and after the gears have been shifted through all positions, PRNDS, several times. Excess oil should drain out through the overflow tube in the drain hole. An incorrect oil level, either too low or too high, is very damaging to the gearbox. Adaptation/calibration. Recommended after changing the oil. It is often recommended to perform basic adjustments, adaptations, using a diagnostic computer, VCDS, ODS, so that the gearbox learns the optimal operating points of the clutches. Service costs. The cost of changing the oil and filter in the Dq250 in independent workshops is usually from €150 or pounds or dollars to €300 or pounds or dollars, depending on the region and service. In authorized service stations, prices may be higher. Summary. The Dq250 is a solid and popular gearbox that has revolutionized the world of automatic transmissions. Its biggest advantages are the speed and smoothness of gear changes and better durability of the clutches compared to dry gearboxes. The most important element of taking care of its longevity is regular and correct oil change every 60,000 kilometers. You should be aware of potential problems with mechatronics and the dual mass flywheel, especially in cars with higher mileage. Before buying a used car with Dq250, it is always worth checking the service history and performing computer diagnostics. Thank you for watching the film, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and hear from you in the next episode. See you soon.